Slime time. Let's run through the ingredients.
First, you'll need bottled glue. Then you'll need baking soda. Shaving cream is optional. Item gun solution, foaming soap, that's also optional. Foamies and glitter and food coloring, elastics and glitter. And yeah, let's just get on.
Why slime though? Why do you guys like slime?
Because it's fun to make.
It's fun to make. It's like the biggest thing on the internet right now. I see these people all over. Do we need like measurements here? We're eyeballing.
We're eyeballing.
Narrate.
Soda, big baking soda.
Pinch of baking soda.
Stir.
Just that little bit.
Yeah, not too
Food coloring. Look, how does this open? Child-proof and idiot-proof apparently. So how long do you have to mix all this stuff up? Is there like a time limit here?
Can you
How much? Tell me when. Are good?
more?
I have a first timer here. Oh, we're really going for it, guys.
There.
Come on here.
Oh, foaming soap.
Okay, wait. Did we hit? Ah, a little blue action. I like blue.
Take it out.
Oh, look at this go, guys.
Ready? Let's see.
Well, the shaving cream adds like a whole other thing to it,
It
huh?
makes it foamy.
That good?
How
I don't know. I don't want to mess up this recipe.
As much as
This
you
thing looks
want.
beautiful. I'm gonna have it for dinner. No? Can't eat slime, right?
You can make it. You can make it. You can smell it.
We're gonna save that for next episode.
Yeah.
Salt bay that in there?
Just a little bit.
No? You want?
Okay. No.
Oops. Oops. At what point does it become like sticky and like even
Like when you
flavored?
add the Acon solution.
Oh.
Just put a little bit at a time.
A little bit? What's going on here, people? This is what we're dealing with. Oh, it's getting really sticky now.
I think I'm gonna go with my hands now.
Oh yeah, the contact solution totally changed it. Look at that.
It makes it more thick.
Yeah, look at that. These young ladies are twins. Who's older?
Oh yeah.
By how many hours
One.
or minutes? One what?
Second.
1 minute?
I mean, yeah, when mine's coming together. Mine's coming together. Look.
No, mine's do what? What do I have to put? Baking soda?
Baking soda.
Oh, so what are you doing? You're like kneading it? It's like pizza dough?
I'm just moving it and like you have to move it really fast with your hands. It's really fast. Like when you're done, you can just go like just keep on really kneading.
Can I touch this or you think it's too sticky?
I think it's ready. No. It's ready.
Is that ready?
Okay.
They're professionals, huh?
Oops.
We gotta get you guys doing this with the pizza dough next episode. Imagine this was food. Oh wow.
Okay.
Stick it in
now
my mitts.
we're done with our slime.
We're looking. Gotcha. Alright.
Or
Everybody pick up your slime and give us a slime. Hold it up to the camera. Okay. So what else do you do with it? Can you do like tricks? Can you throw it at your dad? Like,
or you can make this. What? This, go like this, and then go like this. Like a
I'll show the bubble one.
Oh yeah.
show me the bubble one. Yeah, do your parents like your slime?
Well, they like it, but they don't like it.
I think your dad would like it if this was pizza dough.
Well, I made a bubble.
Did it? Wait, how do you do?
Oh, yours is good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Really?